Hello stamping friends. Today I want to show you a few items you can earn for free during our Sale-a-bration promotion. The first one is a DSP that coordinates with the hand-penned suite, which includes the hand-penned petals and the penned flowers dies. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through this designer series paper so you can see all the beautiful patterns. These are all in black and white, which means that you can color them with many of our coloring tools, including the Stampin' Blends, the Stampin' Write markers, our watercolor pencils, and our spritzer tool. So here's another item you can earn from our Sale-a-bration promotion, which is this cute designer paper called Penguin Playmates. It coordinates with our Penguin Place bundle, which includes the Penguin Place stamp set and this Penguin Builder punch. So this designer series paper has 12 sheets of paper. So as you can see, one side has cute penguins and other wintry animals, and the other side has more of an overall kind of pattern, some of which can be used outside of winter holidays, like this pretty blue diagonal stripe. And here's another one that could be used outside of winter holidays. This is a really pretty bold stripe. And these are cute little polka dots. So this is another item you can earn for free during our Sale-a-bration promotion, Delicate Dahlia stamp set. So it has some really beautiful images, and this is one of our distinctive stamps, which means that the images are super realistic. And this is a photopolymer stamp set. And as you can see, we've now started printing the images on the inside of the case so that you can stick your stamps directly onto the stamp case. So next I'm going to show you some designer series paper that's available in our July through December mini catalog. This designer series paper is called Peaceful Place, and it's a specialty designer series paper because one side of each paper has foil accents. So here you can see that the snowflakes are in foil, and the color combination for this paper is basic black, smoky slate, and basic gray. And here's a pretty subtle pattern, like a diamond shape. And here we have 4 panels, which would be great for a mini scrapbook or for making cards, or even for home decor items. So here's some pretty snowflakes, and we have a nice checkered pattern here. And this is a wood grain that's in silver foil. And this design could be used for any kind of card. It didn't necessarily have to be for winter. And look at these adorable cabins. and I just love this. This style of paper, one of the things you can do with it is cut it down the middle and then cut it into 4-inch wide pieces. There'll be 3 4-inch pieces, and then you can use these on your card fronts. And what I've been doing is then cutting each piece to 5 1/4 inches, and then there's another strip of paper left over at the bottom, and then I just flip it over and use this side on the inside of my card just as a little accent. And here's like a little I don't know, kind of like a little scratch marks that are in like a striped pattern. Here's an item I purchased that is going to be available in the July through December mini catalog. It's called Reflected in Nature, and I just really loved how you have the beautiful image up here, and then it's, you know, reflected in the water. It could also even be reflected in ice. So I think there's a lot of really pretty cards I can make with this. And I just love this eagle too. They'll be great for little accents. And then I really like these sentiments also. Breathe deep. I'm one of those people that breathes very shallow when I'm stressed, and so this is something I actually tell myself, to take deep breaths. And then we have this, each day is an adventure. I think would be great for a scrapbook page. May your journey take you to many new and exciting places. Also great on scrapbook pages or for a graduation card. And then take time for you, which I feel coordinates with this breathe deep. So you could put one of these sentiments on the outside and one on the inside. Same with these, you could put one on the inside and one on the outside. So I wanted to go ahead and bring back in the Penguin Place bundle for you to have a closer look at. It includes the Penguin Builder Punch. So here we have, it stamps out the entire image of this penguin, and then this piece is used to punch out his white part on his body. And then we have a punch for his feet, which also coordinates with this stamp right here. And so I just love this. I think it's a really cute set, and I really like the sentiments a lot. It's like a little, except a lot. To the coolest friend ever. Be cool, be chill, be merry. I like you a lot'll. Lots of thanks. Happy birthday and season's greetings. So another thing I like is all the fun little pieces that you can use to build your penguin. So we have a couple of different beaks down here and a little heart, and this circle could be used for many things. This star also could be a star you put on the top of your tree. And then here are the little eyes and a bow tie and the penguin foot. And then here we have a set of 2 together. And then you can also dress your penguin up. We have some reindeer antlers, a hat, and a scarf. We have fun little snowflakes here to create a fun background. And then we have Christmas tree, a present, and a shopping bag, and a fishing pole, and a balloon. So some of these you can see could be used for something outside of winter holidays. We could use it for birthday. We have the happy birthday, and we have balloons. The fishing pole could be used for a summertime card or for ice fishing. And then these could be items that the penguin is holding or standing next to. So I just think this is a super adorable bundle.